In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage notifications for managers in QuickBooks Time using a laptop. Before we begin, make sure you're on a laptop with a stable internet connection and that you're signed in with an account that has permission to adjust company settings. If you don't see some of the options I mentioned, it may be because your access level is limited or your layout looks slightly different due to updates, but the process is the same. First, log into your QuickBooks Time account on your laptop. Once you're on the main dashboard, look to the left navigation menu. Find and click Company Settings. This is where most of your organization-level preferences live, so it's the right place to control what managers are notified about. Inside Company Settings, scroll down until you see the section labeled Notifications. Go ahead and click that. This area centralizes all alert options, so you can fine-tune what information reaches your managers and when. Next, locate the Manager Notifications section. This section specifically targets alerts that go to users with manager responsibilities. It's useful for keeping managers in the loop without overwhelming them with messages they don't need. Now, review the available notification types and toggle them on or off based on what's important for your team. Common options include time approvals, schedule changes, and time off requests. If your managers need to stay on top of daily time entries, turn on time approvals so they're prompted to review timesheets quickly. If your team's schedule shifts frequently, enable schedule changes so managers see updates as soon as they happen. And if you want managers to handle vacation, sick leave, or other requests promptly, make sure time off requests are turned on. As you adjust each toggle, think about how your team communicates. For example, turning on too many notifications can create noise, while turning on only the essentials keeps managers focused. Depending on your account's configuration, some notifications may be delivered by email, mobile push, or both. If you prefer less inbox clutter, choose only the alerts that truly need immediate attention. When you've finished customizing the toggles, click Save to apply the changes. This step is important. If you navigate away without saving, your updates won't take effect. After saving, it's a good idea to let your managers know what they'll start receiving, so there are no surprises. That's it. You've successfully managed notifications for managers in QuickBooks Time on your laptop, keeping your team informed and your workflows running smoothly. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.